Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and these hats from the brand ProMindFun are my new favorite thing to wear.
So if you're like me and you love to be outside on a nice sunny day, but you also know the importance of covering your face from the sun, then these hats are such a great option for you, especially because they allow you to wear your hair up in a high pony. It makes it super easy because, as we all know, like hair on your neck when it's hot out and you're sweating is just not a great feeling. I got the two colors here. I got gray and black, and I really like the colors and I really like the design, the distressed look of it. I also really appreciate the mutedness of the color, like the black there. It's not super black like my wristband. I also like that it gives you the option of wearing a high pony, but it also lets you wear a low pony if that's what you like. And I like that it has the buckle instead of the Velcro, as the Velcro my hair would get caught in.
So if you're looking to add something to your wardrobe, these are a must, but that's just my point of view.